Good morning, everyone. It's Adam with Seaside Vacations. I'm at the Avalon Pier in Kill Devil Hills this morning with your beach report for Thursday, May 17th. We've got some fog to start today, but that should burn off relatively quickly, and we'll have a mix of sun and clouds with a chance of some thunderstorms. Temps in the 70s, and we've got a relatively light wind out of the northeast. Looking ahead, it's going to be more of the same. Looking at the 10-day forecast, it's pretty much the same as today. Mix of sun and clouds, temps in the 70s, and that wind is going to stick out of the northeast into early next week. So unfortunately, that's not good news for surf. We had an okay day of surf yesterday. Didn't really pan out as much as we were hoping. The swell just didn't fill in as much as we thought it might. And looking ahead, unfortunately, this northeast wind isn't going to match up to kick off some clean surf for us. We will have some decent swell in the area as a result of this wind. It'll kick up some wind swell. So maybe there could be a chance next week, if and when the wind does switch offshore, we could get some cleanup of the surf. But we'll keep our fingers crossed, and I'll keep you updated on that. As for fishing is going real well. Wide variety of reports from the piers, the bridges, and the surf. We've got some speckled trout and some black drum pretty consistently over at the Little Bridge heading into Manio. And the piers have a wide variety of fish, anything from blues to speckled trout, sea mullet, spots, croakers, flounder, some skate, so wide variety of fish. And then offshore, they're continuing to see mahi and tuna, mainly yellowfin tuna. I'll give you a quick peek at the beach. Not much going on. The pier's got a whole bunch of people out there fishing. Got a couple surf casters down the beach here, but it's a pretty quiet morning with the fog. So I hope you guys have a great Thursday. If you're thinking about coming down, please give us a look. OuterBanksVacations.com. Have a good one.